Okay, so normal running temperature. Oil lights on. The brake lights because of my e-brake. The seatbelt lights obvious because I don't have my seatbelt on. I have just gotten to where I'm coming to, and I'm going to bring it from an idle, where you can hear the knock, to about 1500 to 1800 RPMs, and you can see how bad it actually is. So, I'm sorry about the glare. I'm actually parked in the sun. I had no choice, but here we go. So that was a couple times. Sorry about that. First time was 1200, second time was 1700. And I guess it's time to rebuild. See my other videos. They'll all be listed. Again, still no oil pressure. I can bring it up. And it goes away about 1200. But it's also smoking a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke right there. There's more videos. I have a truck that I actually had the motor blown in that I have videos up soon about that. And I will have videos of the new motor in it and how it sounds now.